And this isn't about us and them and the ummah and what's... No, no, no. I'm talking He, you and I right now. This Allah that's given us so much. So much. What have we done in return, my brothers? Allah says and poses the question, do you think we created you heck for fun, yani? Hasha lillah, and of course Allah is above any example. My brothers, I want to ask you something. Do you think Allah created you because He's bored? You think Allah had nothing to do, yani? He was heck for some entertainment? You think Allah created you like Wallahi, my brothers, I find it amazing. Allah created you. He honored you. He made you Muslim. And we don't know why we're here, man. We've forgotten why we're here. Allah created us for His worship, my brothers and sisters. Nothing else. Allah created us to know Him, to glorify Him, to honor Him, to worship Him, to come to Him, to call to Him, to call others to Him, to beg of Him. Allah created you, my brothers, for a reason. Allah loves you, my brother. Wallahi, Allah loves you. I take an oath by Allah, Allah loves you. Wallahi, I don't care who you are. I don't care what sins you've committed in your life. I don't care what your condition is right now. And I don't care what the world tells you about you. You are special to Allah. Allah loves you. And you're a Muslim. And you are beautiful, you are smart, you are intelligent, you are brave, you are forgiving, you are loving, you are well-mannered, you're a Muslim. You're the one. You, my brother, yes, you. Not me, you. I'm talking to every person that's sitting here, to every person that's watching, to every person that's listening. You, yes, you. You are the one that can change the world. You are the one that can take humanity from the misery that it's in to the happiness and the joy that it can have with Allah. You are the one, single-handedly, you are the one that can take humanity from the darkness that we're in to the light of Allah Azza wa Jal and the light of Islam. You need to believe in yourself. Don't let people put you down. Don't let people convince you otherwise. You are special. You are a creation of Allah.
Download our mobile applications or register on our official website to get access to exclusive content. Links given in description of video.